right, it's time for our Reader's Notebook. Today is Monday, May 11, 2020. And we're on lesson 23. Lesson 23. All right, our vowel sound, not oo, not zoom to the moon, as in book, like cookbook, okay? Kind of make those lips come out, And you'll see how to do that if you watch our lesson video about the phonics, okay? If you watch our phonics lesson, you'll get that, okay? All right, the vowel sound, as in book. Circle the word that matches the picture. Book, book, hook, book. Number 2, book, cook, cook. Number 3, wool. That's really hard to say. Wood. And when you say wool, it's kind of a ooh. The L kind of makes that very hard to say. That sound is not a pure sound. It goes wool. It's very difficult to say. Number 4, hook, hood. Number 5, brook, took. Brook. And a brook is a brook is another name for a creek, a tiny little river. Number 6, soot, like ashes from a fireplace, foot. Book, cook, wood, hood, brook, and foot. All right, circle the words that best complete each sentence. We can go to the play together or boy? Together. The box has blank in it. Began in it or nothing in it? Nothing in it. And room 10 likes to X out the word that we're not using. Number 3, the new blank is named Dan. The new blank is named Dan. The new boy or the new along? Well, boy and Dan match because Dan is a boy's name. Dan and his blank like to fish. Dan and his together? No. Dan and his father. That's another name for dad. Dan and his father like to fish. My blank has a blue door, and that should be D-O-R, like O-R, corn for the horse, but O-O, took corn for the horse's job, or good. It should just have one O, but the real way to spell it is crazy. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. My blank has a blue door. My house or my nothing? My house. My house has a blue door. Jan skipped the path. Jan skipped house. Jan skipped along. She skipped along the path like along the sidewalk. Oops, Mrs. White covered that up. I will sing the song. I will sing the song again or boy? Again. And if you look at the word again, it's again. There's that A-I, rain in the train. A, like long A sound. Again. And that's what they say in England. When they talk like this, they say, again, would you like to eat a crumpet again? Would you like another cup of tea again? And we don't say again, we say again. So that makes a sound, and that just makes the I sound I, okay? So the word is again. I will sing the song again. That's one of our new words to know. Number 8, a bell blank to ring. A bell house to ring? No. A bell began to ring. Here we go. Number 1, we can go to the play together. Number 2, the box has nothing in it. Number 3, the new boy is named Dan. Number 4, Dan and his father like to fish. Number 5, my house has a blue door. Number 6, Jan skipped along the path. Number 7, I will sing the song again. Number 8, a bell began to ring. And go ahead and pause the screen to make it like a screenshot and use this for an answer key. All right, words with Circle the sentence that matches the picture. Let's go ahead and zoom in there. Circle the sentence that matches the picture. We cook at mealtime. We cook at mealtime. Doesn't show them cooking. Nope. We look at the time. We look at the time. Yep. Number 2. I see a little brook. We just talked about a little brook is like a river. I see a little book. Ooh, tricky. Look at the R. They almost look the same, don't they? Careful on that one. You're seeing if you're going to pay attention. I see a little brook. and she sees a little river, like a creek. Number 3, like a stream. Ooh, there's another word for brook. Number 3, he has a hat made of wool. No. He has a box made of wood. He has a box made of wood. Good. Number 4, put your coat on a hook. Put your coat on a hook. Well, that sounds good. Let's read the other one. Put your coat in a hood. In a hood? No, there's a hood on my coat. How do you put your coat in the hood? Put your coat on a hook. Number 5, wash off that soot. And remember, soot means ash from the fireplace. Wash off that soot. Sounds good to me. Wash off your foot. No. Wash off that soot. Nope, we're not doing wash off that foot. Here we go. Number 1, we look at the time. Number 2, I see a little brook. Number 3, he has a box made of wood. Number 4, put your coat on a hook. Number 5, wash off that soot. All right, vowel graphs. Excuse me, spelling words with a vowel digraph. A digraph is when 2 letters that are vowels, when they go together, they make a new sound. A consonant digraph would be like th, doesn't say t-h, it says th. Okay, so o together is not saying it's not saying o, it's a totally new sound, and it's saying okay? So the words with o-o-k are going to go here. We do this all the time in our special packets for stations. And the words with o-o-d, ud, are going to go here. Oh, looks like I already missed one, didn't I? Did you see what I missed? Which one goes neither? Which one doesn't go on either list? Can you find it? Foot. We are not going to use that one at all. Okay? So we have look, book, hook, brook, took, and shook. Look, book, hook, brook, took, shook. And words with O-O-D. Here we go. We know the sight word. Good. Wood, wood. Hood, hood. Good, wood, hood. One more time. Look, book, hook, brook, took, shook. Good, wood, hood. Okay? And let's double check on those lesson plans and see how far we're supposed to go today for Monday. Now I want to double check if that's it. That might be it for today. That might be all we're doing if we're on page 111. And we've got one more page. One more page. 112. Using my, your, his, and her. Write the correct pronoun to finish each sentence. And your brain knows this if it just makes sense. It sounds right. You know it. Okay? I hug blank dog Mags. Me dog or my dog? My dog. I hug my dog Mags. Mags runs after, sight words, blank stick. Mag runs after her stick or she stick? Her stick. Okay? These are possessive pronouns to show that somebody owns something. It doesn't have the apostrophe S, okay? My, I don't say my's with an apostrophe S. No, but if I say my name, I can say Mrs. White's blue marker, or I can just say my blue marker, okay? Rick brings blank dog. Rick brings he dog or his dog. You know it. You know if it sounds right. His dog. You can bring blank dog to. Your dog to or you dog to? Your dog to. And number 5, we can play in blank backyard. We can play in they backyard or my backyard. If it was they or their, that would make sense. Their. They backyard? No. Their backyard? Yes, but I don't have the word there. It's my. They try to trick you. My backyard. Okay? And reading through one more time. Here we go. I hug my dog Mags. Mags runs after her stick. Rick brings his dog. You can bring your dog too. We can play in my backyard. And that's it for today. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye. Or actually, you should be getting on the rest of the math, the rest of the lessons, because we've got math coming up next. Bye-bye.